And now weather with meteorologist TJ Springer, certified by Weather8 for the most accurate forecast in the Ozarks.
We are starting off our day on a much colder note compared to how it began on our Tuesday. So have that jacket ready to go. No concerns out there in Branson. It's the live look down toward the landing, and that's going to be the case throughout really the entirety of the region. In Springfield, taking a peek outside your door, we are closing in on 30 degrees. I think with the calm winds and the lack of cloud cover really throughout the area, we're going to allow for a couple of degree potential drop here throughout the next couple of hours. Dew points down in the upper 20s with that northerly wind around 5. Highs yesterday, you can see how much cooler they were off to the north, and these highs were likely reached in the wee hours of the morning as this cold front was tracking on through, at least in parts of Kansas. We felt the tumbling temperatures here as well. Springfield topped out at 73 degrees yesterday afternoon, just before noon. 74 in Fayetteville. Off toward the east, warmer conditions, 80s even in places like Poplar Bluff. Jonesboro, Arkansas topped out at 82. Now we're on the colder side as high pressure is taking over, and that is going to be the case throughout the area. Look at these readings compared to what they were at this time just 24 hours ago. Some of us, like Clinton, 40 degrees colder. That's a huge temperature difference in just a day. We always say what a difference a day makes, right? Temperatures are now in the upper 20s from Lake Ozark to Clinton, out toward Chanute and Emporia, Kansas. 32 freezing on the nose in Joplin. We have freezing in Branson, a little slightly, if I can even say warmer, from Harrison to Fayetteville, sitting in the middle 30s. The winds are pretty calm. That's one ingredient to allow for some fog, also some frost to possibly form here this morning. And with high pressure taking over, they're going to remain calm through the day. Really a far cry from what they were yesterday as well. It was a blustery afternoon as that cold front was working on through. Satellite radar picture right now showing the showers working off toward the east. We have some of that rain lingering across far eastern reaches of the Show Me State. All that going to continue to progress eastward throughout the rest of our Wednesday. And then our hump day shapes up to be pretty nice in the wake of this boundary. High pressure is going to take over, keep us quiet, and that will bring lots of sunshine to the area. And that's going to be the case not only through the day, but also through the overnight. Starry skies are on tap, a quiet evening commute, temperatures dipping into the 30s. I think some of us likely going to close in on freezing, very similar to how this morning was, but those winds start to change back around from the southeast, which will pump our temperatures up just a little bit more into our Thursday ahead of another weak front. This one may bring a stray late day shower. Most of us will stay dry, but we can't completely rule that out. Really not a huge temperature roller coaster. The average high is going to be 60. We kind of go above and below that throughout the next few days. 65 on Thursday ahead of that front. Then we take a drop on Friday, 55. And through the weekend, we are tracking that chance for some rain. So that brings clouds. We'll hold our temperatures down just a bit. 64 on Saturday. And then behind that system, we start to tumble yet again, but we're going to be pretty close to average for this time of the year. 55 on Monday, heading into our third full week of November, 57 by next Tuesday. So no concerns really, aside from a pretty quiet pattern and then that rain chance. I'll talk about that here in the 7-day forecast. 58 today, cooler than our Tuesday, lots of sunshine though. Overnight, you'll want to have that jacket ready to go for our Thursday morning commute. Freezing, we could see some patchy fog. Our 7-day forecast does show the chance for rain, as I mentioned, by Saturday. Now, a small chance on Thursday. The good news is our Veterans Day is going to be great. If you do want to pay any respects, head on out there. It's going to be a pretty quiet day for us. 64 on Saturday with that shower chance. Sunday, we could see a lingering shower, but I think most of us going to wake up to a dry one. 55 on Monday. Going to be a great kickstart to next week. We're back into the upper 50s with some warmer weather heading into the middle of next week with lots of sunshine as high pressure holds strong.